Good morning. So today we're going to do a shotcrete. This is going to be a pool that we have prepared. I have a little treat for you that is right behind me that I'll show you in a minute. But let me just turn around and show you this lap pool. This is going to be a 50-foot long pool. It's right behind me here. As you can see, we prepped all our steel. We're ready to have our lines, our levels. So everything is going to be totally square and plumbed. This is going to be basically a very long lap pool. And this long lap pool is going to have also a pool cover. So let me just turn around and show you the peculiarities that we installed on this project. So as you can see right here, these are the suction lines, those two big grates. And we have our jet nozzle that is coming back. All this is coming out of it's prepped with the plywood because that's going to be our material. And then we have the pool cover vault, which is all this where this gentleman is standing. And back there you can see all our plumbing, all our pipes. Yeah, it's 12-inch plumbing. Our swim jet motor is going to be all the way over there in the back. And we have our plumbing equipment over there. That's our manifold. As you can see here, one of the things that we did on this project and decided to, as you can see here, is a little sandy, and we have some branching. Well, that's exactly where the plumbing is going up, and it's coming. So we made sure we had all our plumbing under the structure, and it's well protected. It's covered with sand. So all the pipes are going to be in really nice situation. One of the other things that I want to point out, and you may see here, it's we're all walking right on top of the steel, and this is number 4 steel, which is a little bit an overkill that we do in all our jobs. But you can see the gentleman walking, and he's not bending any of the steel. So we are going to have a great encapsulation. We're going to have a real great thickness on our concrete. What you can see is here, those, we call them chairs. So this little in the industry we call them dobies, but these are concrete chairs, and they're basically going to maintain a 4-inch distance from the soil to the top of the steel, and then on top of the steel we'll have a lot more concrete. All our walls are going to be about 12-inch thick, and we have also a dual skimmer project here. It's a very long pool, so we need a lot of suction. And I don't know if you noticed, but all the pool doesn't have any drains. So this is a drainless pool also. That helps with the aesthetics. Also, we double the circulation just by having 2 skimmers. Our pumps are going to be really flooded, really nice circulation they're going to have. And then the swim jet is going to work over there by itself. And basically the swimmers are going to be here, right where I'm standing, and they're going to be swimming against the current. The current is going to come out of the nozzles. So we'll do a little clip once we start shooting and having all our concrete placement